Thank you so very much to my amazing art angels. Marie Louise of Marie Louise Art, Janice with Just Janice, Andy with Astro and Remy, Happy Tiger, and Donna with It's Art by Donna M. Thank you so much for your support. Their channels will be listed in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. I am going to revisit the Larramar, which I did over a year ago, and I tried it with this piece. You might have seen it. If you missed it, I'll link the video at the very end. But you can see that my Larramar didn't really work. My bloom didn't really work. But it's still cute, but not good enough. So I've decided I need to go back and practice my Larramars. The thing is, I don't have Castin Craft, which is what I used when I was doing all my Larramars a year ago. It kind of got very goopy, so it's not the same. So I'm gonna try and make it work with Julie's bloom paste, which I know should work. But I'm just gonna have to see about everything because it's a different product. So you're along for the experiment as usual. I'm gonna start with my white. Please excuse Acorn. She is happily chewing on her squeaky ball, go figure. And yeah. So I'm gonna try and put in 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and whatever that is. We'll stir that up. My white's doing its thing. So again, that was Julie's bloom paste, 4 and like a little splash of drops. This one is going to be my dark. I'm using acrylic inks by Holbein. I have Mauve, Quinacridone Magenta, and Luminous Opera, which I'm going to mix up. And this here, I think I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do 7 drops in this one. I mixed up a total of 142 grams of resin, and I am using the Art Pro resin, which is a 3 parts A to 2 parts B. And then once it was mixed up, I put it in my Let's Resin debubble machine, although I don't know why when I'm whisking up my resin for this. Okay, so very dark in the cup, dark but transparent on the side. So that was 7 drops of the mauve. Let's do this one. I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, 1, 2. We'll do 6 drops of the Luminous Opera and maybe 2 drops of the oops, that was 3 drops of the Quinacridone Magenta. Did you see that? It flew right in there. I think these 2 colors will work really well together. Scraping off my stick again. All right, I'm gonna let that sit. Now I'm worried I didn't do that with my purple, but I did. All right, one final mix here. I wanna get my white in. Get Get the white in the mold. Wipe off my stick. I'm starting my new tower. Okay, let me torch. Torch carefully. Don't burn your gorgeous molds by Julie. Infuse your resin to them. It's very sad when it happens. Yes, I've done it. Not once, not twice, not 3 times. More than that. Okay, I'm gonna let that. Oh, I forgot to put a thing in the center. Gosh darn it. Well, I may mix up some, no, I don't have resin to mix up. All right, I'm gonna have to suck out the center, I think. That's a bummer, huh? All right, let me torch. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna do double puddles, but double what? Double puddle. So I'm gonna pour one on top of the other. So we'll have 4 layers of puddles. Here we go. So I'm trying to do half and half and the other half. I mean, I don't know. Why not, right? Let's have some fun with this. And so normally the Larramar, if you were to take the class, which I do recommend taking, it would have a push at the end, a clear push. I'm not doing a clear push. The amount that would be for the push, I just divided it equally amongst the other cups. All right. Ta-done. Demolding time. Oh. That sound is awesome. Still love it after all these years. All right. Did I get something like this? Or did I get something like this? Or somewhere in between? Only one way to find out. Ooh, ooh. Okay, that is really wild and cool. This center part has all these striations in it too. Wow. I like it. Wow, look at, okay, look at this. Whoa, these came in really far. That second ring didn't really develop, but very cool. Wowzers. Huh, look at that in-between part. I don't know. I like it. I like it. It's different. Huh. So I think I have the right number of drops now. Wonder if I could take it back maybe even So I did, what did I do? 4 drops in white? Yeah, I did 4 in like a little dribble. So if I did 4 drops next time, that should be good. And then maybe because I was doing some of the white kind of came back over into the layer, and maybe that kind of went down in there. I don't know. I have no idea. All I know is that is pretty darn cool. Wow. All right, I think I may try this with the bloom layer and then Larramar. So my bloom needs to be somewhere between that size, and that size. Yikes, no pressure. Totally can do it. That's gonna be interesting. I can't wait to try that. All right, let me know what your thoughts are on this one. It's different, that's for sure. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.